Good morning. What's going on, guys? It's Friday. Fresh Cash Friday. Fresh Cash Friday. So let's make some money today. I'm a little worried because it doesn't look like there's that much going on this morning. Obviously, this is the last day of 2017. The last day of 2017, guys. So it could just be a wash, because people are like, hey, it's the last day. It's the last day of 2017, and I think I'm not going to trade, but I'm going to trade today. If something happens, we're going to trade. But I think overall in the market, you're going to have people that are just going to wash today off, going to take off for the 3-day weekend, 4-day weekend, actually. So it is, like I said, last day of 2017. The new iMac is sweet. So PGNX got some FDA approval this morning. It's up 20%. It's pulling back right now, back down there to the $7 area. And what else are we looking at this morning? HMNY yesterday made a big move into the day. Well, really all day long. HMNY just a crazy move all day from the 530 area, 550 area up there to 720. And then after hours getting up there to 757. So big move there on HMNY. It's pulled back now down there to 670. So I'm definitely going to be keeping an eye there at open to see what happens there. And then another stock this morning, been looking at this one. Actually was thinking about shorting it earlier for this break of $12. Would have been a nice little short down there to 1173. So had a nice little pullback there. But you can see GCAP, it's kind of bouncing all over the place this morning. It's up there to the 1280 area. You got that 1280 resistance. 1280 resistance there, holding it down for now. So definitely going to keep an eye there on GCAP. Kind of almost like JCPenney, but GCAP, not JC. I'm gonna go post this on the YouTube or on the Facebook. There you go. Susan made some money on LINU yesterday. That's always fun. So GCAP coming back up there, 1230 area right now. Kind of look at what's moving, what's gapping up. It doesn't look like there's a lot of stuff gapping up. It is Friday. It is the end of 2017. It is a lot of different things. So it could be an issue. PGNX below $7 could be a good short. You can see it bounced off the 687 area before, and it's holding this $7 support right now. So could be a good dip buy here off the $7 support, or it could be a nice little short there below $7. So definitely going to keep an eye on that one. ATRA, it's up 27% on really no volume this morning. It's like 200 shares traded or something. ATRA, it's up 23%. Only 3,000 shares traded. Definitely not enough volume to really trade this one. Who sold Ripple? So confused. So GCAP 1220 area. You can see nice little trend. Actually, yesterday, nice little trend there from the 760 area. It's up there to 1281 pre-market. 1281 pre-market. Bounce around this $12 area. Gonna keep an eye on it. I think there might be a possible short here if this trend really breaks down. You can see earlier Earlier this morning, the trend broke down. It got all the way down there at 11.20. So we'll see what happens here at open. We get a nice little pullback. I might like to go short again below $12. This is the 5-minute chart. And looking at the 1-minute chart here, you can see a little bit better where that support, where that resistance is. So we got that $12 area support for now. GCAP, there are plenty of shares to short there. Got TEUM up there at 219. Getting stuck there at 220, 219 area on TEUM. ZKIN moving, huh? ZKIN. Ooh, look at that. Look at that drop from 1050 down back there to 850. Talk about a beautiful short. Yesterday, shorting this one, ZKIN there at the $17 area. And look at it closing down there at $10. End of day, $10 this morning down there to 850. So it popped up there on news or whatever they had going on. Look at this 5-minute candle. It went from 969 up there to 1870, 87. Getting stuck there and then just crashing back down all day long. ZKIN, beautiful. Beautiful short there. If you would have held this one all day, it would have just been too easy. You can see now it's basically back down there where it started at. The other day it was at $9. It opened up that morning at $9 up there to $18. So then it pulled back. So ZKIN, really, we called it out here in the chat. People were trading it. I know Hitesh, one of my boys, was trading this one. Last day of the year. The hype is on. You don't want to end 2017 on a red day. I'll tell you that. That is not what you want to do. And that's what I'm going to try to not do today. I would like to not end today on a red day. So definitely going to be playing it smart today. I'd rather not make a trade than make a red trade, if that makes sense. I'd rather end the year playing it safe and not making a trade than end the year losing money. So fingers crossed. Fingers crossed we're going to play it smart. Play it. Look for some great opportunities this morning. Hey, no trades. Playing it smart is definitely a green day. If you can walk away from the market break even, that's the goal here, really. Break even, a little bit of profit. Green, 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 baby. So WATT, it's up 1%. This one's been crazy the last couple of days. Yesterday, it went crazy once again. Look at this thing from the $21 area down there at 8 o'clock pre-market yesterday, up there to $33, $32, pulling back, bouncing up, pulling back, bouncing up, pulling back, all over the place. WATT. This one has news. I think it was blockchain news, crypto news, something. They all have crypto news right now. Every stock that wants to get a big pump just says that they have some kind of Bitcoin news. And that'll pump it up. That's enough to pump anything right now. You say that your company has some kind of blockchain news. Oh, that's what it was. WATT wireless charging. Okay, yeah, I remember that one now. There was, I think it wasn't the rumors that Apple was going to work with WATT. That was kind of one of the rumors. So WATT wireless charging. I think it's like literally like wireless where you can plug in a thing to your computer and then not have any kind of cable and just charge over the through the atmosphere or whatever you want to call it. 80 feet, there it is. That sounds like it's got to be dangerous though. Isn't that dangerous? Sending electrical waves through the air? How does that work? Goes through your body? Should we be worried about that? Should we be worried about I don't know. Something's got to be scary about that. How does that even work? Oh man, it's just so many questions, so little time. But we're here to make money, not to worry about electrical charging. We'll let the scientists worry about that. We'll trade these stocks. Somebody the other day was giving me crap because I wasn't listening to the conference call on one of these companies. I think it was WATT. Yeah, that's what it was. WATT. Somebody the other day was like, this thing's going back to zero. You're an idiot. Why are you trading this? Get out of it. It's going down. WATT is going down. This was back when it was, what was it, like $15? Yeah, I think it was back when it was like $15. It was this morning, I think. Right? Yeah, I think it was this one of these mornings. One of the mornings when it was really cheap. But WATT, it's up the last couple days. Look at this thing. If you would have bought back in there, $9 area, WATT. Talk about a swing there. Swing, batter. Batter, swing right there. Look at that. Just nothing but up. Had a couple nice dips there, but really overall, this thing's just been trending higher. RIOT, little bounce there. That ZKIN just crashing down there. We got ATRA. No volume on that one. So PGNX right at that $7 area right now. Keeping an eye on this one for a possible short if it wants to start selling off there. You can see some buyers stepping up there at the $7 area. And then HM&Y selling off as well. Yesterday, HM&Y making some big moves. Big moves there on HM&Y yesterday from the 540, 550 area up there to 750 after hours. And then selling off. It was kind of really, I would say it's weird the way that it was trading. It was almost, we were thinking that some computers were definitely trading. Computers were definitely trading HM&Y. It was, I mean, look at this trend there from 583, just nothing but going up to 720. So serious manipulation there on HM&Y. I saw some really big buy orders flashing, and then I saw really big sell orders flashing, and going back and forth. They were trying to keep the price from going up too fast, trying to accumulate. So GCAP up there to 1250 now, getting up there to that 1281 resistance area. GCAP. This thing yesterday making a big move from the 760 area. Anyone know what the news is on GCAP? Got some blockchain news? What's the news there on GCAP? I know one of you nerds got it. Come on. Where the nerds at? I know somebody listened to the conference call. No news. No news on GCAP. Okay. So GCAP up to that 1281 area. Definitely going to keep an eye on it. There are shares to short, which is nice. There are shares to short, so we're looking for this thing to get really overextended at open if it wants to start going crazy. If it gets stuck at that 1281 area, I won't be scared to take a short there and look for a crash back down. And if it goes over 1281, might be a good time for a long. Yeah, so we're definitely going to be watching that 1281 area closely, and also obviously watching that $13. So you got that 1281, which is pretty close to that $13 area. Gonna have that mental resistance there at the $13 area. So that's what we're gonna be watching there. Brandon wants to know how much money I made this year. Let me do the math real quick in my head. I don't know. I would say over 200,000. I have to talk to my accountant. I don't know what I'm legally allowed to say here on YouTube, but some money. We made a lot of money. I'm not going to be like Ricky over at TechBud Solutions, just calling myself a millionaire. Other day, he made a video talking about how he is a millionaire. I'd like to see the financials on that one. But, hey, if you want, call yourself a millionaire, that's fine. I don't think, even if I was a millionaire, I'm not sure I would call myself a millionaire. Because I feel like if you have to claim yourself a millionaire, then you're probably not a millionaire. Oh, Mox reports. GCAP up to that 1270 area. Let's see if we get 300 people watching. Don't leave. Stay tuned. Stay tuned right here. Let's break 300 people, and then we'll something funny will happen. Oh, GCAP up to that 1280 area. Let's see if we're gonna get that break over it. Why is it only possible to avoid fees on GDX if you expect the price to sink? I don't know. It's a hard question, John. I'm not sure. I like to do $200 an hour, Brandon. Just $200 an hour. Every minute that I'm awake, just be making money. But I don't make money just from stock trading, if anybody's wondering. I make money doing all kinds of things. Actually, I got really lucky this year with cryptocurrency, with Litecoin, you know, loading the boat there below $100, $50, $70, $50 to $70 area, loading the boat up there, and then selling over $400. That, you can do the math on that. That was a nice little payday there on Litecoin. Chatterbait. Oh, gosh. Sounds terrible. So GCAP up to that 1280 area. Trying to get back on track here. Got people texting me. Oh, gosh. TEUM also up 14% today. It's got 900,000 shares traded. This thing did go crazy the other day. HMNY pulling back down there below $7. This thing went crazy yesterday as well. So this is kind of some of the stocks we're watching. Definitely keeping an eye here on that 710 area. So I think there might be a good opportunity for a short here on PGNX at some point. It's not looking like it has the power to go. I think there was news about FDA news or something, approval. Not sure it was a full approval, but something going on with the FDA. It spiked it up this morning from that $6 area up there to $8.40. You can see it pulled back now. ZKIN kind of bouncing there off the 850 area. Oh man, my boy Hitesh, we should have held this one. This would have been a beautiful short to end the year on. From that $17 area, just going back down. Yesterday, shorting this thing at the $17 area. I think I actually shorted at the $17.50. I covered for $100 profit, and look at it now. Look at it now. Oh gosh. Ouch. ZKIN back down there to $9. So there we go. GCAP up there to 1280 now. Let's see if that resistance is going to kick in, or if we're going to find some support there. That $13 area. $13 area. Keep an eye on that there on GCAP. Bouncing here. So we're getting some trouble there. 1280 area. Pre-market high right now is 1288 there on GCAP. You can see this thing's been up, down. Not a clear trend really. Just kind of choppy this morning. Not what I like to see there. Not like, you know, I want to see a nice, steady, solid trend. But this thing's just been really choppy. This morning spiking up there to 1280 area. Pulling all the way back down there to 1120. Bouncing back. Pulling back. Bouncing back. On the 5-minute chart. Looking a little bit better, but still kind of just really choppy. Look at this 5-minute candle here from the 1150 area back up to the 1250. So got a full $1 move there on that 12 on this candle from 1150 up there to 1250. And then look at this, these red candles, ding, 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 lower. Not really what you want to see there when you're looking for a solid trend. WATT dumping, somebody's calling that out. Nice little sell off there on WATT. There's that support there at the $30 area. See if that's going to hold. What if you only hold a stock for less than 58 seconds? Ooh, now we're talking. WATT selling off. Is it going to bounce here? Who wants to roll the dice today? Ding, ding, ding. Roll the dice. Who's got some dice to roll? There's some buyers sitting up there at the 30.25 area right now there on WATT. This thing kind of did a similar move yesterday, selling off and then rallying afterwards at open. ZKIN. People keep talking about this. Why don't I want to keep talking about it? Stop making me talk about it. I see people talking about the $6 offering. Now, just because it has a $6 offering does not mean that it's going to get down to $6. I mean, that would be, obviously would be nice, but it doesn't mean that it's going to happen. LINU yesterday, LINU making some big moves there. We traded this one. You can see from the $1.72 area up there to $3.10, pulling back and then making us way back above $3. So LINU yesterday, look at this little U. Look at that ramp. It kind of pulled down here, got that support there at the 230 area, and then ramped up there to 330. So nice little dollar move there from that 230 support. If you were playing LINU yesterday, hopefully you were playing that support area, looking for that action there. So LINU, just kind of recap real quickly what we're looking at, what we're keeping an eye on this morning. WATT, obviously bouncing around there, kind of looking at what's gapping up. We got a new one gapping up here, 50% right now, low volume, XNY. Breaking news here. Whoa, look at that. Would you call this one extended? I'm pretty sure I'd call this one extended. It's not halted either. So for $1.70 XNY, up 50%, got 300,000, got 300 shares traded. 300 shares traded from 170 up there to 489. I don't know. I'm not sure what's going on there. Not sure what to say about that one. Look at the 1 minute chart here. Huh. No shares is short. Oh, it's still going. Somebody's buying into this. Somebody want to hit the ask on this real quick. Buying at 650. You don't have to worry about any kind of downside, right? I mean, you're good. Don't worry about all this room in the chart here. It doesn't mean anything. So XNY up 62% on 779 on 700 shares traded so far. I don't know if I would call this one a pump and dump or what, but I definitely call it something. I don't know if you could even call this a pump. I think you just call it a jump. The old jumping. This stock's jumping. Don't go and knock it when the stock's jumping. Some buyer sitting there at 450 area. XNY, crazy one. So GCAP getting stuck at that 1281 area like we were talking about. So got a triple top there at the 1281 area and getting stuck there. So definitely going to be keeping an eye there on GCAP at open over that 1280 area up there to $13. That's what we're looking for. Over 300 viewers. Congratulations. We did it. We did it. Everyone who didn't leave, you now earn free karma points. Free karma points for everybody who stayed. Karma for everybody. Free karma. All right. Now that we broke over 300, now I gotta do the worst news possible, and that's what we gotta end this because I gotta go. Actually, I gotta go to bathroom really bad. I've been holding it, trying to get this stream going here, but I gotta go, and the market's gonna open here in 6 minutes. I'm gonna need some time to get it done. So I'll talk to you guys later on. But like I said, keeping an eye there on PGNX. Let's keep an eye on XNY. XNY. Just keep an eye on it. Just keep an eye on it. You don't know what's going to happen. It might not do anything, but it's doing something right now. It could do something later. We'll keep an eye on it there. XNY. We'll definitely keep an eye there on RIOT. WATT selling off down there below 30 now. Look for a bounce here. Ooh, there are shares of short. Big news there. That's new. I have not seen that before. There are shares of short there on WATT now on SureTrader. So keep an eye there on WATT for a possible big sell-off today. We'll see what happens. And like I said, GCAP watching that $13 area. Couple stocks to watch. Couple stocks to watch today. If you're playing it hot, remember it's the end of the year. It's the last day of the year. It's Friday, so don't go too crazy. If you're gonna make money today, make that money quick. Make it fast, because I'm not too sure that the volume's going to be there, that the traders are going to be really stepping it up today, being the last day of the year. Everybody wants to end on a green note. I'm not sure everyone's going to be really greedy today. I'm definitely not going to be really greedy today. It is, like I said, the end of the year, and the last thing that I want to do is go into the New Year's on a red note, and I don't really want to do that. So let's try to not do that today. So on that note, I'm out of here. I'll talk to you guys later. Stay tuned and hit that subscribe button. We'll have some new videos later on today.